1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass S convertible here at Unique, especially in classics. 350 Oldsmobile V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, nicely equipped with power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front bumper. Get a look at the grille and headlight bezels. Red exterior, black interior, black convertible top. If you want to see the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. All those still pictures will be at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Looking good with the red Oldsmobile wheels. Cooper Cobra radials. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. I haven't noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find an imperfection here or there, and I'll try to point some out if we see them as we go along. There you go. You can see the reflection of the paint. Of course, bucket seats up front. Little aftermarket gauge cluster and stereo system. Seat belts intact. Convertible top boot. And like I said, we will show you the top up also. You'll see that in the still pictures. I'm going to show you it in the video. I'll show you how it functions. Check out the condition of it. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take the car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the rear bumper. Check out the condition of the chrome on that. You also note dual exhaust. It does have headers, Flowmaster mufflers. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Did mention wipers work, 4 new wheel cylinders, new water pump, new valve cover gasket, brakes straight, no shakes, shutters or vibrations. Brakes are 90% in the front, 70% in the rear. There's a few little spots I noticed we got maybe a little speck or two here, there in the clear, but again, you can see nice shine to that red paint. If you like Oldsmobiles, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like Cutlasses and 442s, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. There was a little Audi up here on top of the hood too. You will, right there. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor. Good look at the back seats. No rips, tears, or holes in the vinyl that I've seen. Door panel. Some aftermarket Pioneer TSM2s. Fire up that 350. All right. I got a battery gauge there, water temp. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. And then a oil pressure gauge. A bit of Pioneer stereo aftermarket. I've not played around with this. It is working though. Of course, power top switch. Right there. Top of the dash. Looks good. Good sounding car. Door closes nicely. There's a little rumble. This Flowmaster sounding pretty good. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's check out this engine bay. We'll move on to the convertible top. So let me get the hood open, we'll check it out. Underside of the hood. And engine bay. There's a battery disconnect down here when it's in storage or in between drives. Power steering. 350 Oldsmobile V8. Here you get a look at the headers. New water pump. New valve cover gaskets. Alright, let me get the tripod set up. See how this convertible top works and check out the condition of that. And convertible top up. You can see it functioned as it should. Power top working good. Nice fit above the windshield. So black vinyl. I rolled up the side glass here too so you can see how that fits. Now there's a rip back here, although it appears it has been patched from the inside. I can't put my hand all the way through there, so maybe just another slight piece of tape on the outside, but like I said, you can't push your finger all the way through. Glass rear window. I think if you need this top to keep you dry or out of the sun, it's going to work just fine. Little wear spot over on that driver's side. That again, like I said, appears to be patched from the inside. Side glass over here on the passenger side, also nice fit. I will show you the top going back down into the storage compartment area also. Then Jason's going to take it for a drive. So if you want to see how it goes down the road, he'll take you for a virtual ride if you will. 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass S convertible. 350 underneath the hood. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Cutlass S on the dash stands for Supreme. This is a convertible and we have the top up today. One of the coolest body styles of Cutlass, the late 60s. Nice rumble coming out the tailpipe of this car. Our fuel gauge reads a little less than half a tank. Now other than that, This car was originally equipped with lights for the brake generator oil and temperature, but the previous owner in the past has installed some gauges down below, and our battery is charging over 14 volts. Water temperature is approximately 180 to 190, right where you like it. The oil pressure is 50 psi. That's all looking really healthy. Turn signal indicator working. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Horn works as well. Not sure if you can hear that, but I do hear it. A little bit of wind noise around the convertible top here, and this triangle vent window. And that's because it is extremely windy in Minnesota today. I wouldn't even blame the car. Pioneer stereo, believe it or not. Pioneer vintage 80s looking cassette player. Cassette and FM. I have not tested the cassette player, but FM is working well. Nice clear sound out of that. The wiper's also working. The blower motor for the heat system also working. Corner's the way you'd expect a 68 Cutlass to corner. Very comfortable, nice looking bucket seats. In this black interior on a beautiful red car. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.